Hi guys, welcome back to Kitchen Colony. Let's make deli meat. And I hope you have been enjoying what I've been presenting to you so far. And on this channel, I try to find creative ways in which we can prepare and enjoy the meals that we're so accustomed to. I try to do that so that it suits different palates. But it is still yummy and still tasty, and a quick and easy way to do it also. I'd like to thank my subscribers and my viewers for supporting my channel. It is really appreciated. This is the second part to our sandwich filler, and it is actually my preferred method, and it's the deli meat, the ones that you get in the supermarket slices. And with the recent recall of deli meat, it's just best sometimes we make our own. Now, if you have children going back to school or children who like a sandwich, then this is wonderful for you, because you know what's in your sandwich. My son loves a sandwich. He always wants a sandwich. He doesn't eat at school. He wants me to make lunch, and I usually get the deli meat in the supermarket, and they don't have any taste, neither do they have flavor. So I've decided now, make your own, and I'm going to share with you the way I make mine. If you'd like to see me do that, then continue watching. Now, the second method is my favorite method because it can hold up to a sandwich throughout the day. Now, here I have some diced chicken pieces, and I'm going to season. And this is not cooked, this one is raw. So let's season. You can season with whatever you have. I'm using some black pepper. In the amount, I'm using about a teaspoon. And I'm doing some chili pepper, or jerk seasoning if you have it. And to this, I'm going to add some complete seasoning, some dry herb, and this is a teaspoon each, some sazon, and as you know this, my salt, all purpose. Now we're going to mix it well, because we're going to blend it and puree it, I should say, to get a smooth paste. In my mini chopper here, I'm going to start chopping the pieces much smaller. Now I'm going to use some cornstarch and an egg to bind it. So 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch will do. Two tablespoons cornstarch. A medium egg. Now we use our hand to beat it and mix it, blending it properly. You will need a cup or a bowl for your mold, and make sure it's one that can withstand heat. We're going to use some oil to grease generously. Now we're going to fill our mold. Now you may use a smaller size cup, but this is nice for sandwich. Packing it tightly to get out air pockets. Now we'll cover with the cling film, leaving room in the mold for expansion. Place a towel in the bottom of the pot to lift the mold. To the pot, we're going to put boiling water, and we're going to take it halfway up the cup. we're going to turn our stove on and put it to medium and allow it to steam for an hour. If you notice, the meat has expanded, but this will shrink as soon as it gets cool. Now it's the next day, and I had it in the refrigerator, so it's well cool. So I'm going to remove it. Now this is some paprika, coarse black pepper and some pepper flakes. I'm just going to coat the outside of this one. It's best if you roll it on the plastic. You don't want a lot, it's just to garnish. And this is pepper, so I get the taste when I make the sandwich. Now I'm going to wrap it. Now put it away in the refrigerator. When you need it, you cut the slices for sandwiches. Now here you have it, tasty and flavorful deli meat. Great for salads and sandwiches too. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. And if you've enjoyed this video, then please remember to give me a thumbs up, as this helps to promote my video to others, and also it helps to grow my channel. Thank you very much again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.